Hey folks, it's that time of the week again. Cooking with Kevin on Thursday. We have a special treat for you. This is kind of stuff actually we don't do very often, but obviously I need to start doing just to change things up because, yeah, you start running out of ideas. So, what are we making today? I'm gonna put my glasses on. Tasty pepperoni pizza monkey bread. So, what do we need? Well, some non-stick cooking oil. Spray oil, whatever. 2 cans of flaky biscuits. I don't know, I was told to get like whatever, country biscuits, but that's, so you got that. 3 cups of marinara sauce. Well, we just use spaghetti sauce. Well, 64 slices of pepperoni. I think I got that covered. 2 cups of shredded mozzarella. Well, we got a little bit more. We bought some mozzarella that was on sale a long time ago, so we shredded it, put it in the freezer. I got it out. Quarter cup of olive oil, a tablespoon of dry oregano, which is going to go into the olive oil, and some red pepper flakes. I think I'm going to throw in some Italian seasoning into it, and some. Well, I couldn't get fresh parsley today, so I got parsley flakes and some Parmesan cheese. So first thing you do, preheat your oven for 350. Okay, so we're gonna start. First thing I'm gonna do, spray my pan.
Don't be stingy with that pan.
All right, put it away because I don't need it anymore. All right, now I gotta figure out how to open these up.
Just like that.
Just like that, yeah. We're going to cut these in half, if I remember correctly.
I just found the recipe and said this sounds good.
Well, I know. Yeah, tear each biscuit in half, approximately 2 inches, 5 centimeters wide. So, yeah. So I'm going to open up the other one too. I expect it to explode. Of course it didn't.
Brody's looking at you like, what are you banging about?
Oh. The thing I like about these is they're already pre-formed biscuits that you would just drop onto your pan. Okay. So I'm just spreading everything out. Get a knife. Oh, yeah, of course. I'm on the counter. Cut my counter. Of course, I'm walking around with my glasses on. Everything's blurry. They're great for reading, but not for walking around.
Are you supervising, Brody?
Of course he is. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to cut these up and we'll bring you back when I'm ready to start making them.
Okay.
We're back on? Okay. All right. A little bit of trial and error. We went and cut all those biscuits in half. Found out they were too small. Didn't work. So, very simple. You take biscuits, you can roll them up, whatever. Key thing is you have to roll them out. Take a glass. Want to roll the dough out. You want to be fairly quick when you do this because for some reason this dough likes to spring back. You don't need a whole lot of sauce, whatever you use, marinara, pizza. Okay, we cut the pepperoni up. A little bit of cheese. You're just going to take and go all around. All up in. Up in the middle. Squeeze the dough together. I know in the video they showed kind of rolling it up a little bit. Just like that. And place it into your grease pan. Now, we probably could have bought another pan, but I mean, this will still work. We won't have.
It won't be as high.
Big, as high.
Our pan's big.
Yeah. But like I said, the key thing is with this dough, it's just working with it really quickly. Just because it does like to spring back a little bit.
Just like pizza dough, right? Yeah, just like pizza dough.
Yeah. A few pieces of pepperoni.
Does Mommy and Daddy's supper smell good, buddy?
Cheese.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then just lifting it all up. Into the center. That's why I said you kind of got to work with this a little quickly because it, like I said, it likes to. Likes to spring back, but as long as you get get it squeezed together. There we go. And just place it in. Okay. So once I get all these done, we'll bring you back and show you the next step, what we're going to do before they go in the oven. All right. So we got the first layer of balls done. So what we need to do is make a nice creation. Some olive oil, about quarter cup. Close enough. And some red pepper.
Not too much.
Tablespoon or so. Okay. Some oregano. And we're going to add some Italian seasoning with this. Okay. Done. And let's give it a little bit of stir. We're going to take that. We're just going to drizzle it over the balls that are already in here. Take some mozzarella. Just going to put it on top. And then you're going to put another layer in, staggering the balls. I still have a couple more here to make. Yeah, it's always fun making new things on camera, especially when you never tried it before. Because you end up learning different things. Oh, we should have done this, should have done that. But hey, it's trial and error, right?
And our channel's real.
Yep.
Bloopers and all.
Yep. So I have, you know, there is a trick with forming these balls once you get stuff in it. And I said that now I found out why the good Lord gave us thumbs. Because they actually come in handy. Push the stuff to keep stuff inside the balls. Like I said, it is a little tricky, but once you make a couple, you kind of catch on to it. Okay, guess make room for one more. All right. Take some more mozzarella. Oh, actually, before we do that, haha. Putting that on top. And that is it. We're going to bake these for 30 to 35 minutes in the oven. And then I'm going to have to make a little bit more of the olive oil and stuff, because once it comes out, we're supposed to brush more on, but I use most of it because I only gauged, I didn't actually measure. So we will bring you back when they're ready to come out. Okay, it's done. It's out. So, a couple of things we got to finish off. Just going to drizzle a little bit more of this olive oil and red peppers, and chilies, or not chili, Italian seasoning. Parmesan.
We could have a side of salad with this, but we'll probably just pig out like pizza.
Yeah, and some Yeah, it's supposed to get fresh parsley. I couldn't get any today. I mean, I could have got it still on the stem, but the problem is with that, it was wet.
And, well, it's fine, except that we wouldn't use it fast enough.
No, that's...
Yeah.
So that is it. So, yeah, let's grab a piece.
Oh, look at that.
Not bad. It's not like doughy, but it's still, I probably could have cooked it for a little bit longer. And this is my house, so I'm allowed to double dip. But,
Good?
cheese, pepperoni, the red pepper, a little bit of kick to it. But man, it's good. But yeah, next time I think I would go and buy the actual, I think the pizza crust may work a little better. I don't know. It's fun trying new things.
All right.
I think too, that pan, the one that was in the video, was bigger. So it had more, I remember, you know what?
Okay, can you stop sampling so that I can eat too?
No way. It's my show, not yours. Anyways, that's it. That's Cooking with Kevin on Thursday. Was it tasty? Can't remember the name of it. You know what?
Monkey bread.
Monkey bread.
Pizza monkey bread.
Pizza monkey. Yeah. It's good. Yeah.
I'll put the
recipe in the description.
Yeah, that's the word.
Yeah. Okay. So don't forget for Kelly's channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you know when she posts a new video. Anyways, we'll see everybody next week.